really get something done with this 10-inch auger from a 6-inch. Loading truck with corn before it starts snowing. Yeah, screwing around the road more would have to. I had a little bit of constructive criticism from Dad. He was like, you don't put wagons facing the opposite direction of the driveway, basically, is what he was getting at, because now we're going to play heck getting this wagon out of here. Have to dig us a path, but you know, I know better than to let it happen again. Just like you don't block doorways and stuff, and it happens, but you just learn from it. Yeah, that truck's getting filled up quick. Reminds me of running a grain cart as fast as that thing. Oh crap, it shut off. Darn it. And away he goes. Ah, good deal. Didn't hardly spill any. I don't know if I'm supposed to let these cords here was pulling too much power from that over there. So that's all tarped back up. I don't know if he's gonna let the thing alone like it was, pulling power over there. I don't know. Well, it's starting. It was right on cue, 11 o'clock. It was gonna start this yeeky crap. All right, so I got some last minute stuff. Well, I don't. Dad wants it done, and I want it done. Is we're going to clean up in front of the barnyards, the doorways, and so we can get the loader in whenever we need to bed the animals, bed the cows down with straw and all that. Yeah, little skid loader here. It does all right. It, you know, not no powerhouse, but you know what the heck, it is what it is. I probably should put some grease. Oh, almost fell. Put some grease in this thing when I get done with it, because, well, it needs grease. Well, it needs grease because it has been 20 some days before, you know, we had to plow snow last time, and it needs grease. That's just the long and the short of it, is it's going to get grease before the next snow event. And I'm not convinced that the block heater or the doohickey works on this thing, but just for the heck of it. Yeah, I was just gonna jump in it and go, but I remember what somebody told me, Diesel and Iron, he had told me that, because I questioned him about when it's 40 degrees out or so. He's like, you want to let the thing sit and warm up for 5 to 10 minutes. I'm like, eh. He's like, that oil. He was referring to when his machine was, he was running a buddy's machine, and it was 20 degrees. I was talking about cold start and stuff and all that, ether, and how you don't use ether with the machine that's got glow plugs. It's very, very bad. It'll blast. So, but yeah, 20 degrees and you let the thing set out. Any skid loader for that matter, that oil will be like molasses, so just let it sit here and warm up for a little bit. So I got my loader in here. I want to dig this manure away from this here because when it all freezes, you can't get the loader in here hardly, so I'm gonna do that, and I'm just gonna scrape this whole area so it makes it easier to get the machine in and out of here. Too nice. Ah, boy. Yeah, she ain't scraping too nice. Oh my goodness. Got me a thought here, and I'm thinking about, since I'm a couple inches away from that up there, and it wants to go downhill into the barn, instead of just sitting here and trying to whittle away at this like I've been doing and wearing out the tires from spinning and all that, So I'm just gonna have to quit. I ain't doing no good, more good than I am bad. I can't even get that doorway dug out. And I can't even back drag with that bucket because it's, you know, it don't got no butt to it. So I'm just gonna let this go for now, and we'll let Father God deal with it. I'm gonna try my other bucket here and see what happens. Got enough hay to last us a while. Get a bale to get this one here to the corner so we can open this up a little bit wider. I'm looking out the sides of the cab to see what the heck, you know, and just hope and pray that nothing comes at me. But it all works out. You guys hear that rattling? I think a muffler, the bolts on a muffler broke again. We've had that happen before. Just sit there and make a real loud growling noise and all that. But I don't know. I'm not saying nothing because I don't know what the heck it could be. Yep, it's that muffler. Gosh darn it. Yep, it's a muffler. You gotta be kidding me. Again? What the heck? Them bolts are broke. Yep, sure as heck. Well, ain't that just a fine howdy doody? Yep, broke the weld again. Look at that. Gosh darn it. Well, yeah, but that's what all that is. It's always something. Well, so single axle's done. It's got a new bed on it. backup beeper. Stupid rattly muffler. Take that thing off, put a straight pipe on it. It'll sound a lot better and maybe gain about 5-10 more horse. You never know. Well, ready or not, I guess I'll have to be ready for this storm, or if we even get a storm. We could even get as little as 2 inches out of this, and it'd just be a big scare, just like this pandemic. But that's all I'm gonna say about that. Well, see you next time, guys. Thanks for watching. Ooh, look at that Dodge. Pretty.